In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to achieve professional looking slow and fast motion in your videos using the CapCut software. So whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, this video has something for everyone. So grab your CapCut software if you haven't already and let's get started. To download and install CapCut, search for CapCut on Google Play Store or App Store, install it on your phones, open it up and let's start. So I'm gonna create a new project and I will go ahead and grab a video from my phone. So let's say if I grab this particular video, and you guys can see there's no slow motion or fast motion added to this video right now. Let me go ahead and add it to the timeline. The video is now added to my timeline. Now I want to apply slow and fast motion both, and I don't want to put in a lot of efforts because time is money, guys, these days. So we don't want to go through the lengthy editing softwares. It's going to be a very simple one-click process. Select the video on the timeline and you guys see the second option on your screen. It says speed. Tap speed and then there are two different options. So there's normal option. So if you click normal option for a moment, you guys can see that I can slow it down from here. So currently it is at 1x. If I move this back, it's going to increase the length of the video and it's going to reduce the speed. But we don't want to do that actually. We're going to keep it at 1x. We want to actually use this other option, the curves option that's there on the screen. So tap curves and you guys can see that there are different motion effects that are available. Montage, let's click montage for a second and see what happens. You guys can see it did the fast pace and then it slowed it down. Now if you click the hero option, this is the one that I use the most. So you guys can see that there's fast pace and then there's slow motion and then there's fast pace again. The bullet option also works great sometimes. But in this particular, because the length of this video is pretty short, so let's go with the hero option for a moment. And you can also make more changes or edits to it. So if you want to add different pointers, you can actually go ahead and do that as well. So let's slow it down a little bit more and let's see how it looks now. In fact, slow it down from here and maybe slightly slower here as well. Okay, let's see how it looks now. Okay, so slows down and in the end I want to slow it down again actually. So let's take the cursor here and see what happens. So you gotta play around with this a little just to make it look perfect. But I'm just trying to give you an idea here. You guys can see that the video is looking good. Now there are a couple of other things that you need to do once you're done adding these pointers and once you're satisfied with how the video looks. You guys can see that there's an option that says make it smoother. Tap on this option. There are two different options that are available: faster process and better quality. I usually click on better quality, and then after clicking better quality I would tap on the check mark and you guys can see it is applying the smooth slow motion effect. Now what it does is the video is not going to look jerky. The artificial intelligence is doing its magic on the background, and once this is done, your slow motion is going to look very smooth. So as I mentioned in the beginning, this video has slow and fast motion both in here, but let's just wait for it to complete and then let's see how the video looks. So it has just completed the processing. Let's just play the video now to see how it looks. So you guys can see that it has already added the slow motion and fast motion effect to my video. There's a CapCut logo at the end of the video. Let's delete that. So once you're satisfied, you can make other changes to your video if you want to. You can add effects or you can adjust the brightness and exposure of the video. In my case, let me just go ahead and increase the exposure and brightness slightly, and then I'll go ahead and export this video. So make sure when you're exporting it, you're exporting it in 4K and 60 frames per second. Let's wait for it to export in the gallery and then look at it, how it looks. It has just exported in the gallery. It's in the gallery. Let me go ahead and play it for you. Okay, so now the video is in my gallery and I'm playing it back for you. So you guys can see this is how the video looks. So this is the original video. You guys can see there's no transition, there's no slow-mo, there's no fast motion. It's just a normal random video. Instead, if I go ahead and play this one, you guys can see this is looking much better, way more professional. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.